All right, direct from the Big Rock Candy Mountain in Shenzhen, People's Republic of China. Looks like we got ourselves a brand new Anet 3D printer, but of course I gotta put it together. So, let's do this thing. Greetings, programs. Atari here, you there, and if you enjoy 3D printing, hacking, making, and building goofy stuff around the shop, then go ahead and click that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell notification icon so you don't miss anything. And let's get started. This thing is taped up something good. I never cut towards you, right? Oh, we got some fun. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's fun. Looks like everything's kind of in one piece there, or more or less in one piece, but we got some belts. It looks like some, oh, it's PLA. I got some tools and some extra nozzles and a little SD card reader and a fuse. Okay, all right. I love this lovely handwritten note in Chinese that I can't read because I don't read Chinese. That's okay. We'll assume that it says, thank you for purchasing this thing. Even though I didn't actually purchase this, this was provided to me by Anet. They wanted me to have one of these to play around with and show off its capabilities. And so why not? Why not? All right, there we go. Nice extruded aluminum casing here. I'm just not sure how it goes yet. Very nice. Nice and heavy. I like it. Some more things. Oh, there's the, that's what I was looking for, was the extruder assembly. That's where it is. So that goes, that clips onto there somewhere. By golly, she is quite heavy. Oh my goodness. There we go. All right. Pieces over here. Our cord. Got our glass bed there. Dadgum. They're just making these things all nice now. Versus like my very early generation Robo 3D that has seen better days and is currently inoperative. I'll have a whole heck of a lot of room to knoll here. Always be knolling. Always be knolling. Looks pretty much good right there. So, I guess let's take a look and get this thing put together. Let's start with a little pack of goodies here. Oh, there it is in English. Let's see, this is the parts list in Chinese. Here we go in English. Qualified certificate. I wonder if this is a, no, that's not a sticker, is it? I want that to be a sticker. I was expecting a lot more assembly with this, so I guess this is good, so I can get this done pretty quickly. All right, that's already starting to look pretty good. Yeah, I mean, it's a nice, simple, just open frame design, and I like the extruded aluminum. bunch of pluggy dealies to do. We got all these different little Molex plugs. Gotta go in there somewhere. In the end, the love you take is equal to the love you make. Okay, almost done here. Just got to put a couple of finishing touches on. Put this onto here. This holds the spool of filament. And then this connects onto this way using these bolts and these interestingly shaped nuts. So the nut slips down into the channel like that. Well, here she is, all put together, ready to go. I want to thank Anet for providing this printer so that I can show you guys how it works and how it goes together. I'm going to be doing a full review of this thing after I put it through some paces and do a few test prints to see how well it works. And so make sure you stick around for that. Subscribe down there in the corner. Social media is over here. Here's a video that YouTube thinks you will probably enjoy, and of course the show notes for this episode right there in the corner. My name is Atari, and until next time, tally ho, y'all.